Hello. In this video, we are going to figure out how to determine license counts in Prime License Manager, which is abbreviated as PLM. The legacy name for this service is ELM, which stands for Enterprise License Manager. Now, for any on-premise Cisco calling licenses for versions 11.5 and below, we can use this service to determine license counts. Starting in 12.0, Cisco has moved to smart licenses, so this will not be the method that is used to find licenses. All right, so the licenses that we can find in this would constitute the calling licenses, which include Cisco Unified Communications Manager and Unity Connection for voicemail. So let's dive right in. Now, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to open up our web browser and we're going to navigate to the fully qualified domain name or the IP address of the PLM server. Now, in this case, the PLM server is actually co-resident with the CUCM server, meaning that the service resides on CUCM. This is probably going to be the case for most customers, but some customers with larger deployments can deploy the Prime License Manager as a standalone server. So in this case, I've already navigated to the fully qualified domain name of my CUCM server. So I'm going to go and open up the Prime License Manager via this link. All right, and now you can even see ELM, that's the old name for the service. So it's kind of a nod to the legacy name. And remember, they both mean the same service. I'm going to log in as an administrator. And then the first thing that I'm going to do is navigate to licenses and then usage. Now, to make sure that I'm looking at the most up-to-date counts, I can see the last synchronization here. If this isn't very recent, I can click Synchronize Now, and it'll pull in the latest license information. Now, if you're trying to determine what your license count is, this is it. So if your Cisco account team asks for this information, this is the screenshot that they're looking for. Thank you.